This is the upper part of the belfry, and it you can see the Roman arch of the louvers, which are also fluted, and the top of the pivot, the acanthus leaf decorative piece, and the panels of the base of the dome. The crown molding and the fluted pieces were made by Owen Gray and Company, a brewer. The acanthus decoration and the panels behind it and the louvers were made by Rick Brown over in West Brooklyn. And the copper dome and all the copper work was done by Dave Hazelton at Roof Systems Maine up in Bangor. I did the construction, and my philosophy is that in a project like this, you want to achieve about 80% of yacht grade carpentry. This isn't a yacht, it's a church, so what I did is not perfect, but it's good, and it's structurally sound, well braced, and with a good deal of hurricane ties, considering that we may be experiencing more hurricanes on this coast in the future. So this is the structure, and that's all. Thank you. Bye.